The Nature of Soul, a Unique Expression of Individuality by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In contrast to the spirit, the soul is viewed as the individualized aspect of consciousness that undergoes a process of evolution through various incarnations. The soul is often described as the repository of experiences, emotions and memories, which shape an individual's character and identity. In theosophical thought, the soul is not static. Rather, it is dynamic and evolving, reflecting the cumulative experiences of an individual across lifetimes. This perspective encourages individuals to view their life experiences as opportunities for growth and learning rather than mere happenstance. The soul's journey is marked by the pursuit of knowledge, wisdom and moral development, which are essential for its progression toward higher states of being. This process is often framed within the context of karma, where the actions and intentions of an individual influence their future experiences and opportunities for growth. Thus, the soul serves as a bridge between the material and spiritual realms, facilitating the integration of earthly experiences with higher spiritual truths. This integration is vital for personal transformation, as it allows individuals to learn from their past and apply those lessons to their present and future.